Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: AI tools that can transform your productivity, automate tasks, help you build no-code projects, and even simplify your daily life. And guess what? These aren't your everyday tools. They're the hidden gems I discovered during my internship at Scalar. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about automation. Ever felt like you're drowning in repetitive tasks? Say hello to Zapier and Integromat, or as it's now called, Make. These bad boys can connect your apps and automate workflows like a charm. Imagine this: you get an email with an important attachment. Instead of downloading it manually and uploading it to your cloud storage, Zapier does it for you and even pings your team on Slack. Magic, right? Speaking of magic, let's move on to no-code tools. Ever wanted to build an app but coding seems like a different language? Meet Bubble and Airtable. Bubble lets you create fully functional web apps with a simple drag and drop interface. Whether it's a marketplace, social network, or CRM system, you can build it all without writing a single line of code. Airtable, on the other hand, is a hybrid between a database and a spreadsheet, perfect for managing projects and data. Now, on to productivity, where things get even cooler. Notion AI and Canva are here to make your life easier. Notion AI helps you organize and write better, while Canva is your go-to for creating stunning designs. Whether you're summarizing meeting notes or designing your next social media post, these tools have got you covered. Feeling like Picasso yet? Let's talk about voiceovers. Elevnlabs and its freemium. You know this video's voice was created by Elevnlabs. Need a professional voiceover for your video or presentation? These tools can do it for you in seconds. Next up, content creation. Lumen 5 and Descript are tools you won't want to miss. Lumen 5 turns your blog posts into engaging videos, while Descript lets you edit audio and video by editing text. Imagine turning your written content into video content effortlessly and editing your podcasts as easily as editing a Word document. Last but not least, let's talk about Replica, your AI companion. Whether you need brainstorming help or just a friendly chat, Replica's got your back. Think of Replica as your brainstorming buddy and personal assistant rolled into one. So there you have it, folks. Hidden AI tools that can supercharge your productivity, automate your tasks, help you build without code, and even simplify your daily life. All these skills and tools were learned during my awesome internship at Scalar. Let's recap with an example. Imagine you're a startup founder. You use Zapier to automate your email workflows, Bubble to build your MVP, Notion AI to keep your notes organized, Canva to create marketing materials, Elevnlabs for professional voiceovers, Lumen 5 for converting your blog to videos, Descript for editing your podcast, and Replica for brainstorming. You've just built a lean, mean startup machine without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're excited to try out. Until next time, keep innovating and stay productive. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're excited to try out. Until next time, keep innovating and stay productive.